Yun. And I am live. So, live muna ako bago ako pumasok sa Walmart, sa magulong mundo ng Walmart. So, bibili tayo ng pambaon ni Jingo for the daycare. Bago yan, nakakatamad na araw. So, woke up at 7. Pero, natulog ako ulit. Pumikit lang. Tapos, bumangon ako ng magte-10. Yan. So later in a couple of hours, we'll have our Zoom meeting with the team. Yan, kita-kita ulit kami. Tapos na ang summer. Yung mga trees dito sa amin is nag-yellow na. Yeah. Pampagising ice cup. Too bad wala sila nung Oreo ice cup dun sa binilan ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. Or kung tapos na yung Oreo na ice cup. Sarap yun. Yeah. Ay. Let me know guys. Kung napanood nyo na yung live video namin kagabi with Caroline. And then a quick guesting with Cheska and Jason. Panoodin nyo. A lot to learn from our online business. Yung mga experiences namin before we did the business. So, yeah. Again, Sunday, relax sa bahay yung iba. And then, I'm going to Walmart para bumili ng baon. Quick shopping lang. Tapos na yung grocery ng bahay. Yun ang energy booster para sa Zoom mamaya. Sa mga nagko-comment sa mga post ko ng payakap, count me in. Ano po yun? Di ako papamonetize sa Facebook ng mga post tsaka ng reels. So, hindi po tayo yon, hindi tayo mga we do lots of videos bago pa man sumulpot tong mga video monetize na yan, nandito na kami. We're earning online not because of monetizing. Palo mga reels ganun. I earn because of my digital business that I started 2 years ago. 3 years na next year, ang bilis ng panahon. Yeah, so for those of you guys who are interested to do the business, I'm looking for serious people, yung gustong mabago, yung status ng buhay nila ngayon, especially now, come to think about it, ang laki, ang taas na ng lahat ng bilihin natin. Yung mortgage interest natin, palaki ng palaki. So, yeah, meron nga akong kakilala, before they were paying $1,500, right? And then this year, with the mortgage interest, nagtaas. So, from $1,500, nagtaas ng additional $700 yung mortgage. So, obligado silang magbayad ng $2,200 just mortgage alone. Wala pa yung utilities, yung food mo dyan, yung grocery. Saan nila kukunin yung extra 700 kung, diba, kung yung work mo is same pa rin, same yung sahod mo. And then, lahat nagtataasan, diba? This is the right time. Now is the time for you guys to start building your plan B, which is start creating a vehicle. Sabi nga, a vehicle means something that can support you on the side while doing your work right now. Just like this business, online business that we have, this is a vehicle towards our goal. So we have this, we are building this. Maganda na nasimulan na namin. And if you guys are watching this right now, I know the struggle right now, everything is so expensive. And nakakapagod magtrabaho, overtime ng overtime, and then end up you don't have time for your family, for your kids. Hindi mo, namimiss mo yung mga special araw ng yung mga birthdays ng yung mga anak, Christmas or New Year's. You miss lots of special occasion just on your family alone, right? Kung gusto nyo maibalik yung time na yon, build something, build a good foundation para sa kinabukasan ng mga anak nyo. Kung magtatrabaho lang kayo, you are building someone else's dream. You are fulfilling someone else's dream. Not unlike when you start your own business, you are building your own dream, building your family's security. So that is the difference ng meron kang plan B in place. Especially ngayon, inflation, ang mahal na talaga. So you need to be smart, and also you need to take action. Kasi kung mag-i-stay ka lang dyan, na nothing will happen to you. You need to step out of your comfort zone. Alam kong mga takot kayo, mga skeptical when it comes about online business, but I can see all of you guys sabi nila, I'm so shy, hindi ako pala Facebook, but the next thing you know, they are all like posting, dancing on their reels, right? So you can do social media, you can definitely do this business para sa lahat to. So wala tong pinipili whether you are professional or non-professional, as long as you are open-minded and willing to learn and coachable at the same time. You are what we are looking for, and join our team, join our growing team. Number 1 online business in the world. We're turning 50 years next year, and our goal is to go to Japan together with my team. So I'm excited to go there for the 50th anniversary of our company. So yung mga followers ko, yung mga nag-sign up dyan on my website for the webinar, panoodin nyo, see for yourself, and then kita-kita tayo sa loob once you're ready. Try the 30 days trial din sa business namin. If you don't like it, go get your money back. Ganun lang kasimple, right? So also mga nagtatanong ba't di ko daw explain bago magbayad ng $149. That's the reason why we have a system, because we are not those salespeople. I don't like to sell. Hindi ako yung parang door to door. That's the reason why I started the business. We have a system. The system will do the explanation for me. So all you have to do is watch. All right. So again, I'm looking for serious people, especially sa mga parents na pagod na mag-overtime. Pagod na magtrabaho 6 or even 7 days a week. Nakakapagod talaga yan. Kasi yung body natin, biblically, dinisign lang ni Lord for us to work 6 days a week. So when you work 7 days, 8 days straight, 9 days sometimes, talagang bibigay yung katawan mo. So kaya lang ng katawan natin, maximum of 6 days a week. Give 1 day to rest and give thanks to all that we have. Alright? So, hope you guys have an amazing day. So, papasok na ako para makauwi na rin kagad. Alright? So, thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday sa mga taga dito sa North America, and then enjoy the rest of your week sa mga advance ng 1 day sa amin. Have a good week, and Yeah, step out of your comfort zone, guys. Yeah, that's the moment you step out, again, you will see the light outside of your comfort zone. All right? Right. Mamaya. Yeah, see you later, Liana. Kita tayo mamaya sa Zoom. Malapit na. Alright, okay. Bye-bye na. Baka mapatagal na naman tong live ko. Every time na nagla-live ako, napapatagal. Alright. Yeah, Kuya Jun. Thanks, Kuya Jun, for watching. I'm gonna end this one here. Just watch the replay again. Bye-bye now. Salamat. God bless.